Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. In this video I will take out these two awesome big scale cars. These are both HPI Baja cars. This one is a 5B. It's a normal buggy model which I upgraded with some custom parts. And in this video I will test drive for the first time these tires which I upgraded with these sort of Kold Kutter type of screws. They are 13mm long and they will help with extra grip in wet conditions, slippery grass and things like that. Well, these are not actual Kold Kutters because I think they are very overpriced. They are just sort of lookalikes which I bought at my local hardware store. They work just as fine as the real thing, I think. So yeah. Also see this HPI Baja with the Kraken TSK1 cage. You will see this car struggling with grip, so you can definitely see the difference with these upgraded tires. So let's get to the video and see for yourself. Enjoy! So I hope you enjoyed that video. Well, the bash was awesome. A little bit damaged one of the drive pins here. It's 4mm long, 4mm thick, 24mm long pin, which broke. And I've had this problem also on the other side another time I was driving the car. So I think I will be trying to drill this out and make it 5mm, so I can install some thicker drive pins, which I have laying around. On this HPI Baja, I don't think anything broke, but I have to examine the car. At the end, when I was driving the car, I heard something rattling, so I don't know what that was exactly. It was still running, but there was a rattling sound, so I have to examine what might be the problem. So who knows, but for now the only obvious problem I had was with this car. It was with one of the drive pins. So I will be installing this. I have some M5 by 26. Well, I think it's better to order some new 24 ones because the stock size is M4 by 24. So I will be upgrading to M5 and then 24. So these are the stock ones, and the M5 will be of course a lot stronger. So I hope that will work, because it's the second time I had this problem. So who knows.